Hey, welcome! I've just finished another great trading session with binary options on Pocket Option. If you want to find out the result, watch this video till the end. We're going to start right now. I'm Oliver, let's go. Alright guys, today we have $4 to start with and let's see where we can get with it. I'm making first call option. As you can see, everything's pointing for this decision, and let's see if it breaks local resistance level, and yeah, let's find out the result. And here we have, guys, the profit. Let's move on and let's have a look at here. Right, I'm going with another call option. As you can see, we just broke through the middle of the Kelvin channel and parabolic SAR also, and we have the MACD pointing as well for the, it's about to cross with a red slow line, so it's an indication that the price is going to go up. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here we have the next profit. We're going to use the compound percent for this. Alright, so we're going to place 14 and move on to the next one. Let's have a look. That looks looks like it's bouncing off. Let's look for something better. This one I think looks better for us. Has some local resistance there, but it looks like a change of the direction of the trend. Let's go with the call option here. Let's just check. Yeah, let's go with the call option, and yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. And here it is. We have the $27 on the balance, and we're going to move on with the next option. I'm going to use $27 towards the next option to create this snowball effect. Let's place 27 and let's move on. Let's look at that. We have a resistance there, so I'm expecting it to bounce off. So let's go with a put option, the first put option of the day of the trading session. And yeah, it looks like it's moving down. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. Here it is, guys. We have the next profit. Great. And let's move on, 51, and let's go. Let's get to the next option. That one doesn't look that good. This one looks not great either. One looks like it's going down. Let's go with a put option, and yeah, everything's pointing for the put, for the short. So yeah, let's wait for the result. Hopefully that's a correct option, a correct decision, and we'll move on from there. Hey, looking great. We almost got to 100 already, so let's move on. We're gonna use $98 towards the next option, and let's go on. Okay, so let's go here, and we're gonna move. Oh, this one doesn't look that bad. We can use this. This has a resistance level right there, and again, very similar situation as before. We jumped in at a put option here, and yeah, let's wait for the result and continue this. And here we are, guys. Great stuff. $188 we got on balance. Let's move on. Let's get with the next. Oh, come on. Damn it. 188. And let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Let's check what's there. That looks like it's bouncing off. Also some resistance level there. That it might be, well, from PowerXR it's bouncing off that as well, and the middle as well. So, but I think if we can break through this, the MACD is looking great for that, actually, and it looks like it's going through. Yes, right. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here it is, guys. We got some really nice profit here. Awesome stuff. Right, let's move on. Okay, let's go. $360, and let's choose the next victim, guys. Righty. This looks better. And the rest is some shit. That looks like a resistance there, and it looks like it's going down, but so basically what I saw there, there was a resistance, it went for a correction, and we entered at the bottom of the correction, which is great because that's how a lot of times we can work with this time frame, catching pullbacks or entering at the bottom of the pullbacks for us then to continue with the trend. So basically we're more assured. Then MACD, as you can see, is looking also for the long. So this was that was the decision, and now I think there's a hammer forming there with a pin bar, which is also the indication for the price to go in the opposite direction from the pin bar. So if you guys are familiar with that. And here we are, guys. Awesome stuff. $680. Right, we're gonna place that right in. 680, and let's move on. How about that? Oh, that's looking pretty good. Everything's pointing up. Let's go. That's a really good scenario in which it's really easy to just, you see that, and well, obviously there's a few factors like levels, but here we're fine. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. And here we are, guys. We got a really nice profit. Guys, we're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this, because I did. That was a really great dynamic short trading session. We started with only $4 and we got pretty good results. Let's stop here before ruining this session. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and good luck.